welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Shayna J here once again. So this video is actually like really random. It's actually, what time is it right now? It's 8:56 at night, and I just randomly wanted to play in some makeup. So I actually started applying the makeup, and then I was like, let me just turn my camera on because I haven't filmed in a while, and I do have a couple of videos that I do need to film. So I was like, let me just do my makeup and let me just film me doing my makeup. So in this particular video, all I did was my eyes. Don't worry, because I do have a foundation routine coming up. That's why I didn't show the foundation routine and me contouring, highlighting, all of that in this particular video, because I do plan on like filming a video just for, you know, the skin portion of the makeup, just because I didn't want to do it while my eyes were fucking green, and you know that kind of like distract you. So I will have a foundation routine coming up where I am just going to be doing, you know, my foundation, highlight, contour, setting powder, all of that good stuff. So do stay tuned for that. So in this particular video, I did use the 35B palette, and this is it. I got this palette a while ago, and I literally haven't touched it since. These are the colors. I used a combination of the greens right here, and I also used a glitter from Nika K, and it was like, I think like $2. And then I also used a color from the Nubian 2 palette by Juvia's place, and it is this green shade called Egypt right here. So I did want to make those disclaimers before I went ahead and showed you guys how I achieved this look. And if you want to know how I achieved this look, then just keep on watching. Don't forget to rate, comment, and subscribe, guys, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!